Good morning, students of Standard 12. Today we are going to discuss topic PCR, which stands for polymerase chain reaction, from chapter 11 biotechnology principles and processes. PCR, it is a process to obtain multiple copies of a segment of DNA. So students, PCR actually is a process in which huge number of copies are made from a small piece of a DNA. So students, we can say that from a small piece of DNA, huge number of copies of it are made, and that process is called as PCR. So students, if you concentrate here, then you will be able to notice that the DNA is initially heated. Thereafter, a small part of the DNA is removed, and finally huge number of copies of this removed segment of DNA is made, and these processes collectively are called as PCR. There are mainly three steps involved in it. So students, actually in PCR, three main steps are involved. So students, let's know what these three important steps are. Denaturation. It is the process in which DNA is heated at 95 degrees centigrade temperature so that the two strands of DNA get separated from each other. So students, the first step in the polymerase chain reaction is denaturation. So students, it is actually the process in which both the strands of the DNA is heated at the specific temperature of 95 degrees centigrade, and as a result of which both the strands of the DNA gets separated from each other. So students, we can understand the concept of denaturation with the help of this picture. Students, here we can notice that there is a double-stranded DNA, and this double-stranded DNA is heated at 95 degrees centigrade, and as a result of which, students, here you can notice that both the strands has got separated of the DNA when was heated at 95 degrees centigrade, and this process is called as denaturation. Annealing. Students, it is the second process in the polymerase chain reaction. It is a process in which the temperature of DNA is lowered to 50 degrees centigrade so that the DNA primer gets attached to each separated DNA strand. So students, annealing actually is the second step in the polymerase chain reaction, where the temperature of the DNA is lowered, that is made at 50 degrees centigrade, so that the DNA primer can get attached to each separated DNA strand. So students, here we can understand the concept of annealing with the help of this picture, where we can notice that the two separated DNA strands are further incorporated with the DNA primers. Students, this process, that is annealing, has to be done at the specific temperature of 45 to 60 degrees centigrade. So students, if you concentrate here in this picture, then you will be able to notice that the primers has been successfully incorporated in the two different strands of the DNA, and the specific temperature which is required to complete this process is 45 to 60 degrees centigrade. Extension. It is a process in which new DNA strands are made using the original strand as template. So students, extension is the third most important step of polymerase chain reaction, in which the new DNA strand which has been made is further being utilized for making the copies of the original DNA, which is now being as template. So students, the whole process of extension requires the temperature of 72 degrees centigrade. So students, extension is the process in which new DNA strands are made, that is, new copies of the DNA are being synthesized by using the original strand as the template. Students, now let's discuss a very important question. What are the processes in PCR? The following are the processes of PCR: denaturation, annealing, and extension. Students, here you can notice that the double-stranded DNA has been initially heated at a specific temperature of 95 degrees centigrade, due to which the DNA strands separate, and the process is called as denaturation. Students, thereafter, the second step is the annealing, where the temperature of the DNA is lowered from 95 degrees centigrade to 50 to 55 degrees centigrade, where the two DNA strands are further incorporated with the primer, and finally the extension stage, which is done at the stage of 72 degrees centigrade, where the primer further gets incorporated and is further utilized to make huge number of copies of a small piece of the DNA. Thank you, students.